What I do is I use Reuteri in controlling side effects of antibiotic during H. pylori treatment, because we have proven in children that it works in reducing side effects, mainly in diarrhea, taste disturbances, abdominal distension, bloating, and epigastric pain too. So this is my first indication. There are several studies that have shown that at least if you are going to have an antibiotics, it's best if you co-administer a probiotic. And Reuteri have good evidence to support its use during the antibiotic treatment, either in adults and in children too. So I would suggest to use this during antibiotic treatment.
We use in a lot of conditions, pediatric gastrointestinal disease, especially in diarrhea, acute and chronic diarrhea, and in functional abdominal pain, and in other functional gastrointestinal disorders.
Antibiotic-associated diarrhea and diarrhea caused by C. difficile are very large problems in the United States. And this is a cause for concern. It keeps people in the hospital longer, and they get very, very sick from having extreme diarrhea. So if we can prevent them from getting the diarrhea, it could be very beneficial, and it could shorten their length of stay. It could improve their nutritional status. These are just guesses at potential benefits from L-Reuteri, but our data certainly demonstrates that it's potential that it could prevent the diarrhea, which could have great repercussions down the road.
I was looking for a probiotic to test in children, and I think that this was a very good probiotic because it has many safety data that put us on the safe side when dealing with children. So this was my first choice.
The safety of lactobacillus is important in this condition, and especially in pediatric population.
Safety and also innovation. These are the two things that I can say, yes.
Clinical research. This is very important.
They appear to have great focus in rigorous clinical trials. They appear to be very ethical, and they have a lot of passion toward their product. And I think that those three things are very important. I think you can't really have a lot of passion and confidence in your product unless you study it well, and they're doing that.